Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got something in the post yesterday. Unfortunately it was at work, so I went and picked it up after work today. This is something from the Royal Mail. As you can see in the background, it is the brilliant uncirculated 50 years of the 50p set. Now normally I wouldn't buy this. I normally only buy silver brand new. But there's a few coins in here that I wanted. It wasn't overly expensive. It was quite a lot for what it is. So let's get to the unboxing and take a look what's inside this box. So here we have it, ladies and gents, the Royal Mail package from the Royal Mint. So as you can see, it always comes in these Amazon style packages. Ooh. Let's rip that open. Here's what we have inside. So I think that's a receipt. Just take a quick look at that. So yeah, there you go. You can see it was £45. Celebrating 50 years of the 50p 2019 Brewing Uncirculated Coin Set. British culture. Right. So here we go. Trying to buy some. You want to buy any gold or silver? Very overpriced at the Royal Mint. That's not the place to buy it. Anyway, that's a different video. So here we have it. The set. It comes in a folder, which I guess you can put on a bookcase or something. Let's take it out of here. So there we have it. This is what it comes in. This is the outside cover. It's kind of like I wouldn't say a folder, but something you could put up on a shelf or on display if that's really your sort of thing. So, celebrating 50 years of the 50p. In 2019, the 50p turns 50, and this collection of special edition coins marks a milestone moment. This set brings together 5 carefully curated 50p coins celebrating British culture. There's probably some better ones you could have put in there, but there's a couple in here that I really wanted. As you can see on the spine there, celebrating 50 years of the 50p. So inside, what do we have? This is the what we're after. So if we open it up, 50p turns 50. A brief bit about that. Countdown to the launch. So that's when the 50p came out, when money was decimalized. And there is the coins there, 5 coins, a bit about each. Let's look at the other side. There we go, all the same on the back, 2009. You can see these are beautiful unmarked coins. So let's take a quick look at each 50p. Let's start at this side because it's probably a bit easier. So there we have it, the Britannia Modern Classic, it says there. So the reason I bought this set, there was 2 reasons. This one and the Kew Gardens mainly. So this one says new pence on it. So when the 50p was first brought into circulation, it said new pence, as did the 2 pence, 1 pence, etc. And then they changed it to denomination. So this would have said 50 pence, or it still does on the most recent ones. And in 2019, they did a strike your own at the Royal Mint, which I was going to go and do just to get a coin that said new pence on it, but I don't need to know. So to be honest, the price of this set was probably as similar as it would have cost me for a ticket to the Royal Mint to pay for the strike your own and petrol. So fairly happy with that. So that's that one. Some details there. These are all standard weight and diameter. Brilliant uncirculated. So Jodie Clark does the obverse, the picture of the Queen, and reverse on this one was Christopher Ironside. So on to the next one, the first sub 4-minute mile. So Roger Bannister ran the first mile in under 4 minutes, which has been immortalised on this coin. It's a very nice coin. Look at the condition of that. Sorry, I need to get a diffuser for my light. Next one here we have 100 years of scouting for boys. So celebrating scouts. Robert Baden-Powell was in the scouts myself when I was a kid. Be prepared. There you go, the Scout motto, 1907 to 2007. Next one here, 250th anniversary of the founding of Kew Gardens. Now, I don't actually live that far away from Kew Gardens, but I've never been up to Kew to go to the gardens. There's the famous pagoda. I think that's what it's called. You can see that there. So this is the other reason I bought this set. We all know that the 2009 Kew Gardens is the most sought after 50p that is in circulation. I think they minted about 210,000 of them, which is very low mintage. Anything under 1 million, I would say, is low, but 210,000 is particularly low. And I see these go online for anywhere between, I think, about 65 to 85 pounds is about the going rate for a 50p in circulated condition. Now, I know this one's a 2009 edition rather than the 2019 rather than the 09 edition, so we don't really know what these are unlimited editions, so they might make an unlimited amount, but I'm guessing because they're only really coming in packs or through dealers, there's probably going to be less than 210,000 of these around by the end of the year anyway, so we'll have to wait and see. This one could be more valuable than the 2009 one, 2019. And then last but not least, we have 100 years of the Girl Guides. So there you can see, celebrating 100 years of the Girl Guides coin specification. So I'm really pleased with that. As I said before, this isn't something I normally buy. I don't buy uncirculated coins. Or just don't. I try and find coins in my change. But there's a couple of coins here I wanted anyway, and I was going to take that trip to the mint. So it hasn't really left me that out of pocket. But normally I would suggest, I think if I paid £45 for this, I would rather buy 3 ounces of silver, to be honest, 3 silver rounds or 3 silver Britannias or something like that. But I'm happy I've got this. Keep it in the collection, pass it on to my children if they are interested in it one day. It's not really something that I think is going to appreciate in value or is going to be worth more than what I've paid for it, because it's not limited edition, it's not the silver proof or the gold proof set. But it was something I'm interested in. I've bought one and now I have it in the collection. I've made a video on it. So guys, let me know what you think of that. Please do me a favour, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And thanks very much. Don't forget to keep an eye out for the future videos, and I'll speak to you next time. Thanks. Bye.